Let's open this up and go across to our guest. We're joined by Tom Vadakkan, spokesperson of the BJP. We have Karan Verma, an author on the broadcast. Ashutosh Mishra, senior journalist, joins us, along with Ravi Srivastav, political analyst. Good evening to all of you. Ashutosh Mishra, how does this help Congress Party's cause of Bharat Jodo? And how come Congress Party is not doing background checks of these individuals that Rahul Gandhi is meeting? Isn't the message to unify India? Then how come, the list includes people who've been arrested for hate speech earlier, despite knowing their views? How does this really send out a message of unifying India? Bharat Jodo ka message kaise jata hai?
Yes, BJP needs to understand that when Rahul Gandhi meets George Punaiya or he hugs Narendra Modi in parliament, he is following the Gandhian dictum: hate the sin, not the sinner. And trying to understand, I hate mongers of every religion. What does Hindu religion teach us? It teaches, it's as the concept of Vasudev Kutumbakam. What does Upanishad say? Ekam Sat Vipra Bahuda Vadanti. So there is one God and people worship it differently. That's the concept. So if he meets Punaiya, that does not mean he endorses his view. Maybe he's trying to find a way to convert the likes of Modi and
Then why so much of
Punaiya?
hate against BJP? Why call them a divisive force, a communal force? Why not follow the principles and preachings of the Hindu religion? Unko bhi saath lekar chaliye.
Because the BJP is actually a party which has panicked. While Congress talks about Bharat Jodo, BJP has prospered on Bharat Todo. Now when it sees this, I mean, Hindus are not narrow-banded bigots, attacking followers of different religions and demolishing their places of worship.
What is George Punaiya doing?
That's the USP of BJP Hindutva.
Then what is George Punaiya doing?
That is the problem.
I'm sure you're aware of his statements. I'm sure you're aware of his statements and his views.
So what has this? That has not been endorsed, and that's what did I say in the beginning? Hate the sin, not the sinner. So maybe tomorrow
How
he
is
can
this
be
not an
converted.
endorsement?
Maybe Modi and Punaiya can be humanized.
How is
maybe
this?
they can be taught
How
to
is this
respect
not
other
an
people.
endorsement? Karan Ashutosh Mishra wants to counter. Ashutosh Mishra, please respond.
So first of all, Babulal Chaurasia, सुबह का भूला शाम को घर वापस आ जाए तो उसको भूला नहीं कहते. He realized his mistake and he tried to make up for his sins.
Has the pastor offered an apology?
Being a God se bhag. Okay, number one. Number two, let's come back to what's happening right here. The problem here is that BJP is trying that Goebbels tactic of repeating lies. Today Ram Mandir exists because of Congress Party. Because it was Rajiv Gandhi who got the locks open, because it was the affidavit given by Narasimha Rao.
And what happened right after that?
Helped get it. So it's
No, and what happened right after that? You cannot just be stating.
pro every religion.
You cannot only talk about one side of the coin. You cannot talk about just one side of the coin. Ashutosh Mishra, also tell me, has the pastor really offered an apology for his hate speeches in the past?
Their leader.
No, one second. Ashutosh Mishra, you're saying सुबह का भूला अगर शाम को घर लौट आए तो उसको भूला नहीं कहते हैं.
To ensure the hearing doesn't happen.
तो ये जो pastor हैं उन्होंने कोई apology offer की है और उन्होंने कोई बोला है ऐसा अपनी तरफ से that according to all religions are equal.
If you had cared to listen what I said in the beginning, is that if Rahul Gandhi meets hate mongers like Punaiya and Modi, he's trying to understand.
Oh, so you're equating Punaiya and the Prime Minister.
They will also be humanized.
So you're equating Punaiya and the Prime Minister. In case of Punaiya, you would say सुबह का भूला शाम को घर आ जाए तो उसको भूला नहीं कहते. इतना बड़ा दिल है कांग्रेस पार्टी का.
नहीं, नरेंद्र मोदी के बारे में यही कहेंगे. अगर वो सुधर जाए तो उनके बारे में भी यही कहेंगे.
हाँ, pastor को तो जेल जाना पड़ा था hate speeches के लिए. Karan Verma.